Baba Ponir, are you home, Baba?
Ma? You're here? Look what I got from school today. A medal for Muhammad Punir Ali, an award for punctuality. Ma, I don't understand the word. Do you know the meaning of Punir?
Sit down. I need to talk to you. I can't do this anymore.
Do what?
You need to start working.
No. But what about school?
It's going to be a long time before you can complete your schooling and get a job. I doubt if I can carry on till then. I know leaving school will be difficult for you. I know how much you enjoy it.
But you haven't taken a day off from the restaurant since Baba passed away, Ma.
I don't mind the work. It's all for you and your sisters. But the restaurant fired me today because I fell sick. I don't know how much longer I can support our family. You need to start working now. As you say, Mom. Assalamualaikum, sir.
Munir! Munir! I know your mother from the restaurant she used to work. And you were in school before. Will you able to work in this garage?
I've never worked in a garage before, but I have skills.
What skills do you have?
Punctual. I even got a I can remember every details of the work. I can work with full dedication.
Munir Mia, I told your mother that if you can impress me, I will hire you. 2 rules. 1, no crying. And 2, no shoes. Yes, I have no objection with them, but the others, they might not like it.
I understand, sir.
Okay. One more thing. No books. You know, as they say, go to Bangla Bazaar if you need books, and go to Dhulai Par for iron scraps and hooks.
Hey, Namtumia. How are you doing? Who's this boy?
He came for a job.
Aha. Do send him to me sometime. Might come in handy.
One year passes.
Assalamualaikum, bhai.
Hey, Punir. My boy. How are your mother and sisters?
don't know. They're great.
What is it? Spit it out. You need to deliver your words like bullets, my boy.
Bhai, this Buddha has been harassing my sister, Bhai.
Who in God's name is Dishvidya?
Bhai, he works in the dish TV shop in Bongshal. He's
Wait. I know who he is, but you don't know who he is. He is a nobody. A nobody has threatened your sister. How are you going to deal with this?
I don't know, Bhai.
I don't know cannot be your answer. If you work for me, you need to learn how to deal with this kind of people who disrespect us. Here. Take it.
Delwar! Come with me.
Smoke show.
Salam, Chacha.
And Punir, you're late again. And why are you so messy?
That's none of your business, Chacha.
But I'm worried about you, son. And your association with that goon, Fuchka Hassan. It won't end well, I'm telling you.
Fuchka Hassan is my guardian now, Chacha. He takes care of me.
Remember, Punir, guns don't kill people. People do.
Nantu! Nantu!
Go home. Go home, Punir. Go home.
Nantu,
Yes, Hassan?
what have you done? The police are looking for me.
Yes. I've informed the police about the weapons.
What the hell are you talking about? You planted those weapons in my car?
But of course, you're leading young men astray. No, Hassan, what are you doing? No, Hassan! Hassan! Don't!
Randu, Chacha. For Muhammad Punir Ali, an award for punctuality. Puni, the dinner's ready. I'll be back soon, Ma.